Hello, dear Mineraliagos, or should I better call you fossil hunters today? Today we embark on a journey back through time, delving into the ancient world of stromatolites, Earth's earliest storytellers and among the oldest evidence of life on our planet. These layered sedimentary formations, created by the growth of layer upon layer of cyanobacteria, have been a persistent and enigmatic presence in the fossil record for over 3.5 billion years. Stromatolites paint a vivid picture of life in the Precambrian seas, showcasing the slow but relentless dance of microbial life as it captured sunlight, exhaled oxygen, and in doing so, laid the foundations of life as we know it. Formed in shallow, sunlit waters, these structures bear witness to the early biological processes that significantly increased the Earth's oxygen levels, paving the way for the evolution of more complex life forms. The beauty of stromatolites lies not only in their age, but in their simplicity and the complexity of what they represent. They are the architects of the planet's atmosphere, the silent workers that shaped the very air we breathe. Standing in the presence of a stromatolite, one is standing at the crossroads of geology and biology, witnessing the symbiotic dance that has sculpted the Earth's surface and atmosphere. Today, stromatolites are rare, found in only a few places around the world where conditions mimic those of the early Earth. These living fossils offer a glimpse into the ancient microbial world, providing scientists with invaluable insights into the early biosphere and the conditions that allowed life to flourish. So, dear fossil hunters, as we delve into the mysteries of stromatolites, let us appreciate the profound impact these ancient builders have had on our planet. They remind us of the humble beginnings of life on Earth and the incredible journey it has undertaken through the eons.